In this session, let us learn about HTML using emojis in HTML. Emojis are characters from the UTF-8 character set. See, what are emojis? Emojis look like images or icons, but they are not. They are letters characters from the UTF-8 Unicode character set. UTF-8 covers almost all of the characters and symbols in the world. The HTML character set attributes. To display an HTML page correctly, your browser must know the character set used in the page. It is specified in the meta tag. Meta character set UTF-8. If not specified, UTF-8 is a default character set in the HTML. UTF-8 characters. Many UTF-8 characters cannot be typed on a keyboard, but they can always be displayed using numbers called entity numbers. A is 65, B is 66, C is 67, like that. See, by writing this code, see here, catch UTF-8. I will display ABC, I will display ABC. Example explained. The meta character set UTF-8 element defines the character set. The character set ABC, A, B and C are displayed by numbers 65, 66 and 67. To let the browser understand that you are displaying a character, you must start the entity number with and hash and end it with semicolon. Emojis characters. Emojis are also called from the UTF-8 alphabet. See code here. And hash 128512 semicolon. See my first emoji. Laughing symbol was formed. Since emojis are characters, they can be copied, displayed and sized just like any other characters in HTML. See, you can also expand font size also. See here, all emojis with different sizes. See emoji values like that it should give. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 50 emojis. In next video let us learn about another topic, character sets. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.